Hey y'all, so they finally bought my refrigerator and I'm getting ready to, hope y'all can see it. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I will. All right, y'all, so they finally bought me my refrigerator. Look at the refrigerator, y'all. I'm loving this one. It's all nice and clean. I had to literally throw my stuff in here, but I'm gonna clean it out first because they were wanting to take the refrigerator. So yeah, watch me work. All right, y'all, so I'm about to just clean it out and put everything back in there. And I ordered these things right here for the shelves, so when you have a leak or something, you can just take them out and wipe them off. So we can get right on into it. It's a new refrigerator, but when they put it upstairs, it's all scuffed up already on the handle. I think they should have left the plastic on that part. Y'all, I can tell you how bad my refrigerator was, because I just them shredded things that y'all just seen me throw in the trash, some potatoes, they smell bad, and I just opened them. So I guess them being down there was not keeping them cool. Kind of upset about it, but it's cool. I'm happy with my refrigerator. Now I'm about to organize this freezer because I had to throw this stuff in here so that they can hurry up and put it in. That's what I'm getting ready to do.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
done, so I'm about to show y'all the finished touches. It's not a big refrigerator, but it's a nice size refrigerator. We got all my smaller stuff down there. I had to do it this way because, you know, I need room to put my drinks and stuff. And here's my door, my pickles. I love pickles. My drinks, my wines, my rock in the house. And then down here is just a little bit of Mari sandwiches and my little things that I mix for my eggs. And I put my chocolate down here because it was melting. And chicken. These are, like I said, y'all saw that the bread that I use instead of getting a loaf of bread. And my cookies, my butter, my queso, my eggs, my little bit of chocolate back there, my drink shelf, and then got my egg whites up here, my leftovers, and then my other necessities that are in here. Okay. Because I like to put my flour inside of a bag. And then I got my hot pockets here. Oh, that's not gonna work. My ice trays. I got my hot pockets here. Some that I can't think of the flavor because I took them out of the box. My fries, sausages, ice cream. I got my open waffles and some pancakes there. Mari loves these. If y'all haven't tried these for your kids or you haven't tried them for yourself, please try them. We get this kind, the icy kind, and blue raspberry. Is it blue raspberry? Blue, yeah, blue raspberry, and then this cherry frost bomb. Got some of my meats here, more pancakes, some catfish nuggets there. I got my toaster strudels, some corn, my frozen veggies, some more ice cream here, and then always have a pack of freezer baking soda for your freezer. All right. So that is it. Right now I'm just about to put my magnets and stuff back on the refrigerator. I know y'all not interested in seeing that. So yeah, I just thought I would come and show y'all all of that. So that is pretty much it. But anyways, I'm about to relax a little bit. I have some other stuff that I'm gonna do today. So stay tuned for those videos. So if it looks like I have the same thing on in another video, I do, because it's the same day. But I'm always saying, I'll catch y'all in my next video. Please click that like button. Please click that subscribe button. It only takes a second. And I'll holler at y'all in my next one.